Are you tired of the daily grind? Want to earn money online? You're not alone. Many people turn to the internet for income. Let's explore how you can do it too. Making money online involves various methods. You can freelance, sell products, or create content. Each option has unique benefits and challenges. First, consider freelancing. Platforms like Upwork connect you with clients. Offer skills like writing or graphic design. Start bidding on projects that match your expertise. Next, think about selling products. You can use sites like Etsy or eBay. Create handmade items or sell vintage finds. Marketing your products helps attract buyers. Another option is content creation. Start a blog or a YouTube channel. Share your passion with others and build a following. Monetize through ads or sponsorships. You can also try affiliate marketing. Promote products and earn commissions for sales. Join affiliate programs like Amazon Associates to get started. Remember, consistency is key. Keep refining your strategies and learning. Discover what works best for you and adapt accordingly. In summary, making money online is possible. Freelancing, selling products, creating content, and affiliate marketing are great options. Choose the path that fits your skills and interests. Ready to start your online earning journey? Explore these methods today and take charge of your financial future.